Welcome to Vlogmas Day 21, and I'm on my way to go to my mom's house to deliver her some wrapping paper that I have in the back. She asked me if I have any leftover, and I said yes, so I'm taking it to her. I think I'm gonna have some lunch with her as well. George is still at work. He actually had to stay over a little later. Yeah, that just gives me time to go spend some time with my mom. But I know we're gonna go out to dinner and also keep on Christmas shopping because we're still not done. We still have a couple of people. So I got the tape, I got the wrapping paper, I'm good to go. I decided to give my hair a little rest because recently I've been putting so much heat on it, so I'm just letting it do its own thing even though it gets wild. And also I decided to not wear makeup today. I wasn't gonna wear makeup yesterday, but I peer pressured myself into wearing makeup so I can look better for the vlog, but I'm letting my skin breathe as well today.
Here we are again at the mall. What is the one thing that you said earlier in the vlog? We are not going to be last minute shopping. We're not last minute shopping. It's not last minute yet. It's the last like 5 minutes. The last 5 minutes. If we're shopping on the 24th, no, if we're shopping on the 23rd, it'll be last minute shopping.
This is considered last minute.
No, the 23rd will be last minute.
So loud.
I'm a vlogger.
Oh.
Okay. If it's on the 24th, it'll be the last second. All right, so kind of got what I wanted to get for my lady, but I don't know if she's gonna like the design on it or the color. So what happens when you shop a little late, guys? God, as soon as I start recording, man. It's over here, right there, guys.
Are we done?
Are we done?
Nope.
Christmas shopping?
No.
No?
Yeah, Grandma and Grandpa.
Grandma and Grandpa. Of course. God bless them. Let's get them some nice Christmas presents.
Still going at it, huh?
Yep.
How many have you done?
5.
5? Cool.
5.
You didn't tape that one, right?
Huh?
The one on the top that you just threw up?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of crazy.
I think it's pretty much safe to say that we went a little too crazy on each other.
Oh yeah.
How do you always find a way to outbeat me? Every time. I'm like, this year I was so confident. I'm like, ooh, I did so good this year. Who wrapped this one? Where'd you get this wrapping paper?
From over there. Nordstrom wrapped it for me.
What?
Yes.
You didn't want to wrap it?
I wanted the experience.
I would've. Oh. Alright, you guys. Well, it's almost 1 o'clock. In literally 1 minute. While George has been wrapping presents, I've been cleaning up the kitchen because it was a little too cray in there. The dishes are done. The manual dishes are done. Everything is pretty much sanitized. These are things that we need to throw out. Kind of organize the cabinets a little bit. We're also watching Elf. Or we were, and then I paused it and I forgot to play it again. George has a candle lit. I was gonna bake some Christmas cookies as well, but I think it's too late for that.
Yes.
Are you gonna wrap all the presents today?
I don't think so.
I think we should. Yeah, I think we should split it up and continue tomorrow.
I'm tired. It's 1 o'clock. I still need to work tomorrow.
Yeah, poor thing. 2 more days.
Yeah.
You're off for 4 days.
Woo!
Alright, you guys, so we thought we were gonna get done Christmas shopping tonight, and I don't think that's going to happen. Well, it didn't happen.
It didn't happen.
We have, how many people?
3 more people. But it shouldn't be hard.
I mean, we got most of them already.
Yeah.
So that's good. I just wanted to be done earlier in the month, but things just get crazy.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Sorry it was probably a very short vlog, but we'll catch you guys tomorrow. I have lots of cleaning to do, and that's what I plan to do tomorrow.
So if you guys like this video, please leave a like down below and comment down below too. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.